Speaker, Madam Sponsor, what is the total national debt as of now?
Sa ngayon po, ang total is about 16 trillion.
16 trillion pesos?
15.69 trillion to be exact.
Okay, so we now have, Madam Speaker, a total debt of 15.6 trillion pesos. Just a year ago, this was, I think, 14 trillion pesos. Correct me if I'm wrong, Madam Sponsor.
That is correct, Madam Speaker, Your Honor.
Madam Speaker, Madam Sponsor, what is the total national debt as of now?